Hi everyone, welcome back to Agri DIY. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. In today's video, I will show you how to grow big juicy organic cucumbers right at home in sacks using either store-bought seeds or seeds extracted from simple store-bought cucumbers. You don't need a large farm or fancy tools, just your sack and some love for gardening. Let's get started. To get the best from today's video, please don't skip any step, follow through to the end. Before planting, make sure you have these materials ready. Store-bought cucumber seeds. Here you have to choose a high yield or a hybrid variety. Planting sacks or growing bags, at least 20 to 25 liters or well-rotted manure. Loamy soil mixed with cocoa pits or rice husks for drainage. Watering can or sprayer. Mulch. Dry leaves or grass are most preferred to retain moisture. These few items are all you need to kickstart your organic cucumber garden journey. Now, let's prepare the sacks for planting. First, fill the sack with your soil mix. That's 2 parts of loamy soil, 1 part of compost and 1 part of cocoa pit. Mix it thoroughly and leave about 3 inches from the top. Make drainage holes if your sack doesn't have one already. The tip here is that cucumbers love loose, fertile soils that drains well. That's the secret to those big juicy fruits. Now you take 2 or 3 cucumber seeds and plant them about 1 inch deep in the center of the sack. Cover lightly with soil and water gently until the soil is moist, not soggy. Place your sack in a sunny spot. Cucumbers need at least 6 hours of daily sunlight. In about 5 to 7 days, you will start seeing tiny green shoots popping up. Alternatively, you can select a nicely matured healthy store-bought ripe organic cucumbers for the best chance of viable seeds. You extract and clean the seeds, slide the cucumber lengthwise, scoop out the seeds and pop, and place them in a jar with some water to ferment for at least 1 to 3 days to remove the pulp. You have to note that this fermentation process is optional. You can skip it and your cucumbers will do just fine. Again, you dry the seeds after fermentation. You rinse the seeds, lay them on paper towel and let them dry for a day or 2. This also is optional. Here, you plant the seeds about half to 1 inch deep in the soil. Here is how you care for your cucumber plants. Watering. Keep the soil evenly moist. Cucumbers need consistent water to stay juicy and not bitter. Every 2 weeks, feed your plant with a balanced fertilizer like the 10-10-10 or organic liquid fertilizer like the compost tea, fermented plant juice, etc. You can check the link up here for a link to prepare these organic liquid fertilizers on your own. Add mulch around the base of the cucumber plant to prevent weeds and maintain soil moisture. As the plant grows, provide a stick, fence or trellis for the vines to climb. This saves space, keeps fruits off the ground and prevents rotting and diseases. Watch for female flowers. Look for the tiny cucumbers developing on the end of the female flowers, which will be pollinated by the insect. Use neem oil spray or garlic pepper solution weekly to prevent aphids and white flies naturally. Healthy vines mean bigger fruits, so don't skip your organic feeding schedule. You can check the link up here to learn the simplest way to make your own natural pesticides, which is organic, free of any synthetic chemical. In about 45 to 60 days, your cucumbers will be ready for harvest. Harvest when they are firm, medium green and about 6 to 8 inches long. Don't let them overripe on the vine. That slows down new fruiting. Regular harvesting cucumbers is crucial for keeping the plants productive for long. Now, let's talk about the benefits of growing your own organic cucumber. They are 100% chemical free because you control what goes into your plants. No harmful pesticides. Also, they are fresh and juicy as homegrown cucumbers taste sweeter and crunchier than store-bought ones. Again, it saves you money because a few seeds can give you dozens of cucumbers. space saving because sax gardening is perfect for small spaces, balconies or backyards. And lastly, it is eco-friendly because you recycle materials and grow your own food sustainably. There is nothing more satisfying than harvesting fresh cucumbers you grew yourself. The bonus tips are that you prune the lower leaves to minimize fungal infection, and you mix the soil with organic manure or compost for the best results. So, in summary, to grow larger, juicier cucumbers in bags from store-bought seeds, you select the organic cucumber and extract the seeds. You ferment them to remove the pulp before drying and planting them in pots with quality soil. You plant seeds or seedlings about 1 to 12 inches deep. You provide at least 6 hours of direct sunlight and provide support with a trellis. Consistently water to keep the moisture content at the optimal level while keeping the soil evenly moist. Feed the plants every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer and harvest regularly once the cucumbers reach maturity. So there you have it, your complete guide to growing big, juicy, organic cucumbers in sacks at home using store-bought seeds or seeds bought from the stores. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more organic gardening tips every week. See you in the next video. These 2 videos, I will recommend them for you. First one is the top 3 powerful organic liquid fertilizers and how to grow bigger organic carrots step by step. Bye for now.